The Ruby semi-automatic pistol, also known as the Eibar type pistol or the Eibarresa Pistol, and the 32 Auto Ruby type Pistolet Automatique, was a French auxiliary weapon of the First World War. A very international weapon, it was designed from the FN Model 1903, a design by John Moses Browning produced by the Belgian company FN Herstal, and was produced by more than 50 Spanish companies, but mainly by Gabilondo and Urresti, the Gabilondo Ruby official. As the French became increasingly desperate, the acquisition process lost control. Eventually, Gabilondo contracted with 3 other companies, and at least another 45 companies signed direct contracts with the French to produce Ruby-type pistols in a variety of calibers, barrel length, and loader capacity. The French officers quickly found out that few Spanish Ruby-type pistols had interchangeable magazines, which is why they insisted on the manufacturers to mark the base of all the magazines. This was to avoid the fatal consequence of not being able to insert a new loader, which a full loader would fall from the pistol in full combat. Several Ruby-type pistols were plagued by a poor finish and incorrectly tempered steel pieces, which after a short period of use, wore out so much that the pistol could fire on its own. Another characteristic danger of poorly manufactured Ruby pistols was that the safety mechanisms were prone to failure due to their incorrect assembly or the use of inappropriate materials for vital safety measures. In spite of the existence of defective or dangerous Ruby-type pistols produced by unscrupulous subcontractors, the basic Ruby proved to be a well-conceived design, which when correctly manufactured with quality pieces, resulted in a pistol very appreciated for its reliability and precision. Some 710,000 Ruby-type pistols from different sources were accepted by the French, with around 580,000 stored in the French Army's arsenals since 1920. Many other Allied countries, and some of the new countries that emerged after the war, such as Finland and Yugoslavia, also used Ruby-type pistols. Gabilondo ceased production in 1919 and began to produce more modern models, but other companies continued to produce Ruby-type pistols until the Grand Depression despised many of them. Ruby-type pistols continued to be used until the end of World War II, especially by the French and Spanish Maquis, guerrillas that waged an irregular warfare, as well as by the French militia. Designed by Isidro Gastanaga,